Well, hello. Welcome back to the Orminators. I am Chris of the Orminators, and I have another little Galiteck item that I just picked up. Again, I seem to fall prey to their marketing, and so I got an email from them saying that I had qualified for a free first aid kit. Now, this is not the first aid kit. This is actually an everyday carry kit, but the free first aid kit was if you paid for shipping and handling for the thing, and I figured, well, as long as I'm paying for shipping and handling for the first aid kit, I might as well just add in something else. So I'll go ahead and put up a screenshot of the item that you see here and the price that you can get it on the Galiteck website. In the meantime, I just got it in. It actually came in faster than I expected. Came in from Colorado, it looks like, in this particular case. And so we'll go ahead and dig into it. So I haven't actually looked into this thing yet. I thought it was kind of neat. It comes in this little plastic, almost looks like a little miniature pelican case. Just kind of cool. Feels like it might weigh about a pound or so. And we'll go ahead and dig into it and see what's inside. I wonder if it's waterproof. So 4 latches there. Kind of cool. There it is right there. You can see some of the items that it comes with. It's almost like a little escape and evasion kit. So let's see what we got here. There is a little flashlight, no battery in it. Kind of one of those, looks like a little tactical flashlight, modeled after maybe one of those like a stream light or what have you. Looks like it takes a AAA battery. We'll go ahead and test that out a little bit later on. Doesn't look like obviously there's one in there, but that's one item there. And oh, it still comes with even a little light here. Little LED light, a little squeeze light that you can attach to your key ring so that you can see your keyhole. Not that many cars have those much anymore. Yeah, looks like a little fire striker. And a almost like a multi-tool. Looks like you can actually, little hex right there where you can try to tighten up a nut or a bolt of some kind there. It's got some measurements on there in millimeters and a little striker there at the end. That's pretty cool. Tactical pen, the kind that has a little glass breaker at the end there. You can see that. So you can use it as a glass breaker. Obviously, this sort of aluminum pen here is good for jabbing people if you needed to. I wonder how well it writes. No, not bad at all. So, functioning pen, tactical style pen. Looks like a whistle. Okay, in case you need to call for help. A little survival kit item there. Oh, this looks like a knife of some kind. Well, anyways, little knife there. Kind of cool though. This looks like a little traditional lensatic compass, actually. It's kind of neat. Oh, that's nice. I like that. It's a little compass. Comes in this little brass case. You can see that there. Pretty shiny. You can actually see it's so shiny enough you can actually see a reflection of my phone in there. So well, maybe you could probably use that even as a signaling mirror. That'd be kind of cool if you needed to. I guess maybe that's why it's so shiny. And then finally, one of those little multi-tool credit card multi-tool kits there. Made out of stainless steel. Again, it's got a little measuring on there and a little wrench to be able to turn bolts, open bottles, a little flathead screwdriver, a little can opener, a whole bunch of little items there. So that's pretty cool. Little item there. Oh yeah, then it's got the little thing in there that tells you what's in that little stainless steel survival tool. Can opener, knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, can opener, 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, direction ancillary indication, so for reading maps and stuff like that, 2-position wrench, and a lanyard keyring hole. So all of those items in this little case here, the kind of thing that you might stick in your backpack or in the trunk of your car, so that if you ever needed any of these items here. So you got multi-tool, kind of cool there. Glass breaking, so probably go pretty well in the car. A knife, fire starter, emergency whistle for alerting people and finding, bringing the rescuers in. Again, a compass with a shiny enough lid there for signaling. A flashlight, or another flashlight, I guess the kind that would go on your keys again. And then finally, kind of a tactical flashlight. Now, I probably wouldn't be using this one, well, on a daily carry sort of basis. This is the kind of thing that probably, more or less go quite nicely into the kit that you see here. Because I've got an Elzetta for my main flashlight, so I would probably just keep this in the kit here, like so. And it all closes up. Oop. Like so. There you go. The everyday carry kind of multi-tool survival kit from Galiteck. Yeah, so thank you, Galiteck. Actually, this is not a sponsored video. I find myself buying more and more stuff from them. Again, I've got the sling pack that I did, the everyday carry. So this would probably actually go quite nicely into that sling pack. I'll go ahead and link the video, left side, up there, so that you can take a look and see that video that I've done on the review that I did there. Probably, this wasn't very expensive, so for the money, was it worth it? I don't know. We'll try it for a bit, carry it around. It's not that heavy, and the case is actually quite nice. I wonder if it's waterproof. Let's see if there's a little rubber. Has it got a little edge on there? Well, it's got an edge, but it's not rubberized, so I'm going to say it's probably not waterproof by any stretch of the imagination. But then again, the items in there, except for the flashlights, are the kind of things where you really don't care if it gets wet or anything like that. So not that big of a deal. So it's kind of cool. Little, again, almost like a little Pelican case, kind of a neat little feel. Just go ahead and throw that into the backpack and you are good to go. So thank you for watching the video this far. And if you like it, go ahead and smash that like button. Share it out if you think somebody that you know that would like the Galiteck Everyday Carry Survival Kit. And yeah, thank you very much for watching.